You better not book another trip. You better not book another trip. You better not book another trip. You better not book another trip.
I'm going to Cuba. Alright, don't mind my ugly face. I basically just woke up and don't have any makeup on, as usual. So basically, I booked me and Alex a trip to Cuba. It was super cheap. I found it on Stella Vacations. I usually don't go for the all-inclusive vacation because I hate staying on resorts. I like to explore and like actually experience the country, so I hate staying on resorts. But the thing is about this is that the all-inclusive vacation was actually cheaper than purchasing just a flight, which is crazy. I don't even know how they're making money. But anyways, we decided to do that instead, and we get fed and we get a room and we could just go off and explore ourselves. I think that it's the beginning of December and that's why all the vacations were super cheap, just because it's before Christmas and no one really goes on vacation. So they're like, you know, the random loser that decides to go on vacation, we'll give it to you for cheap. What I wanted to do today was show you guys what I do to pack for a trip. Obviously, what I pack for this trip is going to be completely different than what I pack on a normal trip that I go to, because this is all inclusive. I'm actually staying in one spot, so I can pack a lot, when usually my other vacations I'm traveling around a lot and don't stay in the same spot for more than like a couple days. So yeah, we have the luxury of, you know, packing up that suitcase. I've never actually been to Cuba, and it's like the cheapest place to go from Toronto for an all-inclusive vacation, but I don't know, I've just never chose to go there. But now that it's so cheap, I just have to take the opportunity. And also I really want to see Havana, so let's go. This is my suitcase. This thing has come with me everywhere, and I swear it's indestructible. It's not that, like, it's kind of like a ribbed plastic. I don't know if you can see it. It's not that type of plastic that like breaks. I find that the smooth plastic ones, like, they crack very easily. They say they don't, but they do. But this type of ribbed plastic is literally indestructible. Like, I've thrown it everywhere, and I just got it at like Winners or Marshalls, one of those two, same thing. And it was like $60–70, and it's lasted me literally forever. And usually Alex and I, we share this suitcase when we go on vacation because we don't want to pay for the extra luggage. But because this all-inclusive vacation includes like free luggage for each person traveling, then again, we have way more luxury to pack a lot of stuff. So I do not bring any expensive jewelry with me. I keep my engagement ring and my other expensive rings at home. I don't like to lose things on vacation or get them stolen. I have gotten my wallet stolen before, mainly in Europe, but yeah, I've learned my lesson, so I keep my expensive jewelry at home. I take this ring with me instead. It looks flashy, but it's actually just from Pandora, and it's like cheap. So I pretend that this is my engagement ring when I go on vacation. It's fake. It's just crystal, it's not diamond. And then I bring some other like cheap jewelry with me that I want to wear with my outfits. Also got this matching set from Morocco. It's very beautiful. Wear that out for dinner one day. Also got my passport, 2 pairs of sunglasses. I like to be fancy. Also, it looks better in pictures if you switch it up. In terms of electronics, I am bringing my drone to get some good vlog footage. Don't forget to subscribe because some awesome Cuba footage will be uploaded. I bring this DJI stick just because it stabilizes when I vlog with my phone, and if I'm walking a lot, it's not like all jiggly. I recently just got this because I realized that a lot of my videos, I need to take a breath, I'm talking too fast. A lot of my videos are like shaky, so I purchased one of those. I am bringing my laptop so that I can edit this video and other videos while I am on vacation, just at nighttime when we decide to settle down. My earphones and this camera that I am vlogging with right now. It takes good pictures, better than my phone, so it's actually really old and it does a horrible job at focusing, but it is what it is. So I am a bag lady and I like to bring lots of bags. So this bag I bring around to, like, if we decide to go on an excursion or something and I want to bring my camera, my drone, stuff like that. I also bring this bag. It's very cheap, but if I'm not bringing a bunch of electronics with me and I just want to put my money and phone, then I just have this crossbody bag, and like I shove all these bags within each other. So like this bag will go in this bag, which is my carry-on. All my electronics and my passport and like my carry-on items go in this bag. Also, I put my makeup in my carry-on because I am scared that my eyeshadows will break if they are thrown in the downstairs luggage, so my makeup also goes in there. I also have these bags. This bag I use for dirty clothing because I don't like when my dirty clothing touches my clean clothing. Yes, I'm OCD. Also, this bag I have, it's just like a drawstring bag, but it's waterproof, so I take this to the beach with me. And all these bags just end up going into this bag, so it's like condensed. I'm not carrying all these bags. At the end of all of this, I'm only going to be having my suitcase and this as a carry-on. Shoes. All right, so I normally don't bring this many shoes with me when I travel, but because it's on all-inclusive, again, I am splurging with the amount of stuff I'm bringing. So these shoes literally have been with me everywhere, like insert Instagram pictures here. They are indestructible, okay? I got them from Winners, but they are amazing for walking, and they they're flip-flops, but they like zipper in the back, so like they don't fall off. And they're very sturdy, and I will never get rid of them, even no matter how ugly they get, because they're great for traveling. These are just some pretty flip-flops. Again, if I want to feel fancy. These are great for walking as well. They're Steve Madden. No matter how far you walk in them, again, they're kind of destroyed because I do bring them on a lot of vacations. They have a little bit of heel, so like you can look a little bit fancy, but they're very, very comfortable when you walk around if you're touring and stuff. My running shoes, again, if I want to be walking around and to wear in the airport. These I would normally not bring heels when I travel, but because I'm going again to an all-inclusive, I feel like I'm repeating myself a million times. I'm bringing some heels so that, I don't know, I can be fancy one night at dinner. And then flip-flops, because I wear these in the shower wherever I go that is not my home. In terms of toiletries, this is my makeup bag, which I said I put into my carry-on because I'm scared that eyeshadows and stuff will break if they're just thrown in the undercarriage. So I take this with me. I bring my curling wand because if you go somewhere hot, there's no point of bringing a straightener because my hair is just gonna frizz. I always bring conditioner with me. I know these all-inclusive resorts have shampoo and stuff, but usually they like have 2-in-1, and my hair is so long and tangles a lot, so I don't want to be stuck with the 2-in-1, so I always bring a conditioner. suntan lotion because I'm pasty AF, and a whole thing of just body lotion because I am obsessive about moisturizing my body, and especially because I'm going to be out in the sun. If you moisturize all the time, then you're less likely to peel if you burn and tan and whatever. So then I have this contraption that like folds, and like when you unfold it you can hang it, and I usually hang it on the door so that I have more counter space. Everything is like off the counter, off the floor, and I don't know, it's just very useful. And it condenses, so like it's good for traveling. I literally bring with me so many wipes. Like I have facial wipes, body wipes, makeup wipes. Like wipes are my friend. Not saying that I don't shower, but I love a good wipe. Again, in here I just have facial moisturizer, some face cleanser, like all these things are travel sized, Q-tips. I'm gonna bring my razor with me. I haven't packed my toothbrush yet because I still need that. I'm leaving tomorrow. Deodorant, body spray, 4 things of like dry shampoo, and some, again, facial things for my face to cleanse. This looks like a mess, but trust me, it'll all work out in the end. Okay, so undergarments. I'm going for 7 days, so I usually bring 7 of everything except for like bras. I bring like 2 or 3 because I'm usually just in a bathing suit anyways. I bring 2 pairs of pajamas. I bring a beach romper because like these things I could just wear over a bathing suit and like not care if they get wet or sandy. I'm bringing 2 sets of workout clothes because I plan on going to the gym there. And in terms of bathing suits, my bathing suits are usually half 2-piece and half 1-piece. I really love my 1-pieces, but if I start the week off with wearing a 1-piece, then my tan is going to be completely ridiculous. So I always start off the week with wearing 2 pieces so that I can get a good base tan, and then I move on to the 1-piece. This is my airport outfit. I usually wear it there and back. I don't know, just because I don't want to be extra and bring more stuff. So I just have some comfortable tights, sports bra, sweater because it's literally freezing on the plane and I am cold all the time in regular life, let alone on a cold plane. And I usually just wear my long sleeve Toronto Raptors champion t-shirt, represent. You still following me? My mirror is so dirty, ew. Okay, and in terms of like actual outfits, I plan my outfits so that I don't overpack. So here I just have tops, shorts, and dresses. If you want to see all these outfits in action and some awesome Cuba shots, then add me on Instagram and follow the journey. So basically, I have to fit all of this stuff in my suitcase. So I'm gonna show you my technique for rolling and fitting everything like nice and good inside your suitcase, because it's the best way to condense everything, and then you can bring more stuff. Okay, so I'll show you with 3 things basically what I do. So this is a skirt. So you take it and you fold it like you're rolling a burrito. I don't know how to roll burritos. I've never rolled a burrito. I'm just saying that. So then it looks like it's not going to make sense, but once you start piling it into the suitcase, it condenses so much. It's unbelievable. I don't know what I ever did before I did this. So say say you have a t-shirt. Still have the tags on that one. You basically just make it you fold it long ways, and then again, you roll it. And then I have a dress. And again, it's not rocket science, kids. You just roll it. Ta-da! Also, all the stuff that has the potential to leak, I put them in a Ziploc bag because hi, bag lady. No, but seriously, I don't want it to get on any of my clothes, and you don't know what can happen on the airplane, so everything gets Ziplocked. And all my shoes get put into bags because I don't want the bottom dirty part to touch any of my clothes either. OCD, yes. I really need to take a shower before I go. This hair is like greasy to the next level. See, I always do this thing to myself where I end up packing the day before or even the day of, okay? I need to set priorities. Or is it just a skill I have? No, it's just procrastination. Let's be real. All right, let's do a time lapse of shoving all of this into my suitcase. Saving these for the airport. I decided not to bring this bag because I do have enough bags and I can just take my beach bag if I decide to carry my drone. Also, I'm gonna bring my flip-flops in my carry-on because I like to change out of my running shoes when I get to a hot destination, or else I will overheat and feel frustrated and first world problems. And that's it. We're all condensed and done. That's probably the easiest I've ever packed. I guess organizing things for a video organizes me as well. I'm gonna be vlogging the entire trip, so if you want to take a look at our Cuba adventures, then don't forget to subscribe and those videos will be up soon. Smash that like button and I will see you in the next one. Bye!